folks, my name is Kate. I am the editor of Knit Now magazine, and I'm just here to show you a little look at some of the projects we've got in issue 97, which is on sale from Thursday the 27th of December here in the UK. It's also on sale in digital edition from that date, which you can get from Pocket Mags. So we'll leave all those links for you. So without further ado, here it is. This is issue 97. Here it is in its packaging. So you can see you get two gifts in there. You've got your kit to knit your very own little Penny the Penguin. She's super cute, little design by Amanda Berry. And you also get two exclusive penguin needle toppers, which will just stop your work from falling off your needles, which is handy. And that fits needle sizes 4mm up to about 7mm, something like that. They're rubber, so they're quite stretchy. And they've been designed by our team, so you can't get those anywhere else. The other little chap you might not have already spotted on the table next to me, this is Spot the Dog. It's an official Spot pattern inspired by the Spot books, which I loved as a kid, and they're still going strong. So here he is, designed by Sachio Ishii, knitted in Stylecraft Special DK. So those are your two little toys in this issue. There's also loads of accessories in this issue. One of my favourites is these. So if we go to the close-up camera, you can have a little close-up look at these. These are the Be Happy mittens by Nancy van der Bert, and she's designed them with this beautiful bee pattern on the back of the mitt, and as you can see they're fraternal twins, so the colours are the opposite way around on each mitt. And then on the palm there's this honeycomb pattern, and on the thumb, which I might need to put this on so you can see it properly, there's just one little bee that sits on the thumb there. And as a Manchester girl, I am rather delighted with these mitts, but I'm sure wherever you're from you'll love them too. Those are knitted in really, really lovely Knit by Numbers yarn by John Arbon, which is spun here in the UK. Really, really good stuff, that. There's also another big pile of accessories over here. Let me just grab those for you. So we've got this little hat. We'll go to the close-up camera again so you can see all of these stitch details. I'll just fling these by the close-up camera. I won't talk too long. But hats, socks, another hat here, and a cowl. Really, really beautiful projects, all of these. One that we're particularly excited about is this one, which is knitted in a brand new yarn from Rowan called Moordale, and we've done a video with the team from Rowan all about that yarn, so don't miss that one. And one final accessory designed by me. This is the Little Flowers shawl, so you can see around the bottom there's like little flower motifs in the lace. So that was a big pile of accessories. So this is, like I say, this is my one. It's designed in hand-dyed yarn from Ginger Twist. It's part of our Indie Focus series. So that's really beautiful, hand-dyed in the UK. It took 2 skeins and it took me less than a week to knit this because it's in DK. It was super speedy, it was great. So if you want a quick project, that'll be your one. Moving on to slightly bigger projects, we've got 3 exclusive garments in this issue. This is our cover garment, which is knitted in Rowan Pure Wool Superwash worsted, or worsted, depending on where you're from. And as you can see, it's a beautiful all over cable pattern. We've got written instructions as well as charts for that, because I know people have their preferences, so you can choose whichever one works best for you on that one. There's also, if you want some slightly more understated cables, another lovely seamless garment there from Helen Metcalf, this one. And one last exclusive garment in this issue is a real classic from Kristen Tendike. This is the Honey Box Cardigan. and it's just a really lovely simple raglan cardigan, really easy to wear. All of these, by the way, are in the full size range, which is around about a UK 6 to 36, so you can be pretty sure in Knit Now you've got at least 3 garments that are going to come in your size. So I think that's just about it for everything in this issue. Like I say, it's on sale from Thursday the 27th of December. That's between Christmas and New Year. Depending where you are, some of the supply might take a little bit longer to get to the shops if in your area it's closed down between Christmas and New Year. If that's the case, you can order from More Mags. You can, if you're really desperate to get your hands on the patterns, you can get the digital editions from Pocket Mags. We'll leave all those links for you. And yeah, really hope you enjoy this issue, and we'll see you again next time.